Hey, what's up? It's your luxury bestie, Donnie, and I'm back with another unboxing video. This week's video is actually on Christian Dior. I have it here in this box, and we're gonna go ahead and get started. I ordered from Christian Dior Beauty. As you know, my first Christian Dior unboxing on this channel is my lipsticks unboxing. The case that I absolutely love with the mirror vanity, as do all the luxury brands. They were good enough to make the box and everything discreet, but already you can start to see the Christian Dior ribbon there. Okay, and then as we open it, this is what I see. Okay, since there's Dior's logo on the inside of the packaging box. So here is the box that my Christian Dior Beauty came in, a nice like embossed box. All right, I don't even know if my camera is catching the embossing there. All right, and then I've got this envelope here, and it says Dior on the front of it too. And in here we have, okay, we have a return label. We have a thank you card. Allows you to get a sample or something at a later date. This is just another note that is in this. So yeah, I guess my note's not in there. Anyway, moving along. This is the package, okay? And ooh, look at the front of that. Wrapped up like a gift, wrapped with love. I think if you go on Christian Dior's website right now, all of the packaging is this themed holiday packaging here. So I think it was just a matter of timing that this is how my box came. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. Yeah, that's just a little present tag. Okay, one nice Christian Dior ribbon. Okay, and this box is gorgeous. Okay, love. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. Ooh. Okay, now I think we've gotten to my personal note, and just like Chanel, Christian Dior really does their thing with the packaging. I believe this is my note to myself. And yes, it is. On this note, I said, you are strength and grace. Continue to feed your mind and body with only the best of what this world has to offer. And that is the note that I left for myself. And that's a message that I want to pass along to anybody who's watching this as well. Be kind to yourself. Be nice to yourself. Work hard and play harder, okay? And pop this open. And, oh, God. Already I'm living. From top to bottom here, I believe these are some of my samples, possibly. A nice hefty bag of samples, okay? We also have, oh, yes, I did get this. So this is the Christian Dior Lip Glow Lip Maximizer. My lips are one of my favorite facial features, so I buy a lot of lip product. And this is their like plumping lip gloss, lip balm. I was very curious about it, so I got it. And here in this box, this kind of reminds me of that box that I got the Chanel in. Ooh! So this is this particular item here, and I'm not sure if you can see it, but it comes with a case and then some skincare. So this is a nice like fuzzy case. Definitely a case, okay? There are no tabs on the side of this or anything, but I wish you were here to feel this. This feels like nice and soft. It's not really showing up unfortunately, but it's got this like tinsely confetti kind of vibe. Here are the actual products wrapped up in Dior wrap. So we have the French. Gotta get my French together. This is the Capture Total Cell Energy. This is a firming, wrinkle correcting eye cream. All right. And I want to say just a smidge bigger than sample size, so like trial size. Next, we have the Capture Total Cell Energy Lotion Serum. This is the High Performance Treatment Serum Lotion. And then the last of the trio is the Capture Total Cell Energy Super Potent Serum. This is the Total Age Defying Intense Serum. And here too, so you can see what the bottle looks like. And this is hefty, okay? These things feel nice, feel real nice. So that's the bottle on that. It's probably gonna be really tough to try and keep this material clean. My plan is to just put skincare in here, seeing as how this is white, but very cute case, okay? And then we also got a gift with purchase, this cute little Dior clutch. It's pink, it's girly. The irony is I already have a pink Dior clutch. It's probably possible to turn this into a purse if you added an insert. The capacity on this is actually pretty dang roomy. If you care about what the zipper looks like, there's the zipper, cute little D. So now for the samples, they come in this cute little dust bag, and I got quite a few on top of the skincare that I had already purchased. So the first thing that we have here is the, again, my French, the Jasmine d'Ong, the Christian Dior fragrance. Anyway, that's what that looks like. And here is the fragrance itself. So solid sample size, trial size, okay? Next, we have, and I believe this is the thing that they offered me like a code on, which is the Rouge Dior, which is their red lipstick. I'm starting to have lots of luxury red lipsticks. I promise you, moving forward, that red will probably be one of the last colors that I buy. So that's the amount of lipstick that you get with the Rouge. I feel like once you've seen one red lipstick, you've seen them all. But yeah, quick swatch. Okay, so nice intense red, dark red. All right. Next, we have the Amber Nuit Christian Dior fragrance. This is for sure a sample size. We also have the Dior Show Plump and Volume HD mascara. Okay, I'm not gonna need mascara for quite a while. And last but not least, we have another fragrance, and this is the Miss Dior Rose and Roses sample size fragrance. So lots of new fragrances to try. I am thoroughly impressed with this unboxing. I think the box is beautiful. I didn't feel like I got the full experience with the last unboxing because it came from a department store, and I had that in the back of my mind for a very long time. I said, I know that Dior knows how to bring it, and whenever the time comes, whenever I need some things, I will reach out. I'd been wanting some new skincare, I'd been wanting to try new things, and all of the stars aligned. So I'm very happy with this, considering 2 clutches, a bunch of new skincare, lots of fragrance samples, some makeup. It covered all things. I purchased on November 11th, which was a week ago, actually. So this came in 7 days, and I spent $148.73. Did I? I only spent $148.73. So I guess that you got the clutch with purchase and the samples when you spent over $125, I'm thinking. This is the cheapest things in the fact that a lot of these things separately aren't that expensive. The lip products, the Maximizer and the Lip Glow together were $54, so $27 for each of those. And then the trio from Capture Total in total was $85, so you do the math on each of those items. I spent $139, and then plus tax brought me up to $148.73, and then I got a bunch of samples and gifts with purchase because I purchased over $125. I'm very happy with everything. I can't wait to dibble and dabble in everything. If there's things that you guys want updates on, let me know. Really enjoyed this. This was like an early Christmas present to myself, I must say, and I am very, very happy with it. Till next unboxing, peace.